Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we have a Raptor R with a modular bumper. We've installed a 40-inch curved Pro Series light bar. I want to show you exactly how much light it puts out. This is the factory low beams. These are the factory high beams. And this is the 40-inch light bar. Notice the additional light that you get. So the Pro Series light bar comes with large reflectors, which allows it to throw light a lot further in a distance. So notice the difference when we turn it on. You can see everything in front of you. Look at the gate, the fence behind, everything gets illuminated. The fact that it's a curved light bar also gives it a nice peripheral view. So it's not all the light going completely forward. So let's concentrate on the tree right in front of us. I'm gonna turn it off so that way you can see everything that's not illuminated. So notice with the light bar, you can't even see it. And this is pretty much directly in front of the truck. Turn it on and everything's lit up. Let's go ahead and cycle again. This is the factory low beams. These are the factory high beams. And this is the 40-inch light bar. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to tune in and check out our installation videos. And I know you guys are gonna love the product.